Alright, well today I decided to do something a little bit different. I had some saved dash cam video I wanted to share with you guys. Pretty crazy stuff. First off, I will say this. The dash cam that I'm using right now is the Thinkware X700. It's a great starter camera. It's under 120 bucks. I think the one I got was refurbished or whatever. But either way, it came with the camera on the front and the camera on the back. It doesn't produce the best clarity, especially when there's light in front of it. But overall, I'm not like upset with it, because obviously being out on the road, if something does happen, at least you have some kind of video proof of it, depending on if the camera is facing in that direction. So either way, I'm not sponsored by Thinkware or anything else. It's just one that I have, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you're looking for a dash cam, which I would definitely say, if you drive a car, vehicle, or motorcycle or anything else, you should have some kind of camera, period, because stuff happens all the time. And if you have a camera, at least you might have some, physical evidence that will help you out in any future situations. But anyways, we'll get right into it. Let you guys see this craziness. This one is actually not anything crazy. It's it was raining, it was a storm, and I just thought it was cool because I caught this lightning. Well, here it is. Nice. Yep, so there's that. Alright, this next one is where we're gonna start up the craziness. Just strolling along one morning, going back home. 18-wheeler up here decides that he's gonna make a last-minute exit. Check it out. It was funny too, because I was actually trying to get past that 18-wheeler because he was swerving. And watch what this guy does. Here he comes. I'm thinking, okay, he's just changing lanes. No, he's trying to get off the freeway. Ain't that something? Maybe I should have just let him hit me so I can get paid. I don't know what y'all think. It's like, bro, you clearly, like, you must, oh, whatever. Either way, I got you on candid camera. You on candid camera, bruh. You got caught. On to the next one. This one was pretty crazy. I was not expecting it. I hear about this stuff happening all the time. Anyways, let's check it out. And you'll see him, he'll turn. There he is, right there. Look at that. Wrong direction completely. Man, that one definitely caught me off guard. I was like, dude, what the heck? Alright, anyways, on to the next one. Gotta be careful out here on these streets, man, I'm telling you. This one I'm gonna give the guy credit in the truck, man, because he actually held it down after this situation. Check it out. Pretty close for me. It was me and my wife and the kids in the car at the time too. That 18-wheeler, I had my daughters in the car with me. Cruising along, and then, oh no, what's that? Oh, it's a tire in the road. It was a small tire too. Like, good thing it was like I mean, I'm sure you would have saw it, but I mean, that kind of tire, even you should see that. I don't know what happened with these people in front, because Maybe he just didn't see them swerve out the way or something. I don't know. It was morning time. But anyways, this one was really close, man. Like, I was like, oh man, that was crazy. But anyways, you see the light down here. If you can see this, these lights. That's the next street coming up. Lights green. There's a car that's coming from the south that's heading north. That's going to make a right turn at this light. Watch what happens. Instead of, turning into this lane, there's 3 lanes. You turn into the right lane. You don't go into the middle, or you don't go into the left lane. If you're making a right turn, you turn into the right lane. You don't go anywhere else. Watch this, man. It's like, bro, what are you doing? Like, why would you turn into the middle lane? Now, I know maybe you got to make a turn or something like that. All right, here it comes. Light's going to turn yellow. Obviously, I'm going to make it, but then, bam! Look how close that was. It was right there, man. I heard all the crunches and everything. I was like, oh. All right, next one. Oh, this one's crazy. Just sitting at the light, waiting. This white SUV pulls up, ever so gently because it knows the light's about to change. This black SUV here, making a left turn, sees that and thinks that the light has turned green when it's going to be still red. Watch what happens. It's a good thing it's not going to be this bus that's coming up. You're going to see this bus come by right before the situation unfolds. That's me creeping up a little bit. And there's the bus. And the white SUV creeps a little bit. The black SUV thinks that the light is green without looking. Action. Action Jackson. Come on. There he goes. And no, bro, no. Whoa, stop. Oh, my. Bow. See you when I see you, pimpin'. Your whole left side is crunched. And now the light's green. I mean, I'm laughing. It's not a laughing matter. But at the same time, it's just, yeah. It's like, come on, man. You got to pay attention. This one was actually quite interesting too. Once again, people use your blinkers, man. And even if you're using your blinkers, don't make lane changes. You know what I'm saying? At the last minute when you see cars come in, check your mirrors and everything and make sure it's clear first and then make your turn. If you got to make a U-turn or, turn somewhere else, okay, fine, man. But don't cause an accident just because you in a rush. But anyways, go ahead. All right, there's a vehicle there, which already has a dent in the side of it. Which is funny. I actually had a car just like that, same color. Watch what happens. Yeah, just cruising along. Alright, now we're getting into the third lane opening up. This person, no blinker, look, bam. Obviously they didn't check their mirror or anything. And it's funny too, is this car, this SUV actually keeps going. Didn't even stop. Actually at this point I started to chase the person down and they made a right turn, but I had somewhere to go, so I just kept going. But yeah, that was a hit and run right there. And that's it. Yeah, like I said, if you need that, everyone, I believe everyone needs a freaking a dash cam. I know in Russia, I think it's required that you have to have a dash cam to drive. So I know, people don't, like their privacy and everything else, so that's fine. Like mine, it can record sound, it can record video. You can turn the sound off if you want. Like if you notice all my videos, they don't have no sound. I turn the sound off. But the make of the camera is Thinkware. It's a Thinkware X700. It's a great starter camera. You know, if that's what you want to get, I would get that. That's what I have right now, and that's what I was able to use to produce and making this video for you guys to see some craziness. I appreciate everybody. Like and subscribe. We'll keep this junk pushing, just random stuff all over the place, among with the stuff that I kind of go into, that I dive deep into. So once again, thank you very much. You guys have a blessed week, and we'll keep it pushing. I'm out.